Student, let us start chapter number 10, exercise 10.1, question number 5. Represent the following rays symbolically. In part A, PQ. PQ is a ray in which P is the starting point and Q is another point. In Q side, it moves continuously. We write down this symbol, first point P and then point Q, PQ. Same SW, S is the starting point. We write down first starting point and then other point. Same in C part, starting point is A, our ray symbolically representation is AB. Same in D part, E, F and T, S, T is the starting point. In F part, L is the starting point, L, M. Next question number 6. Represent the following using symbolically. Represent the following using symbolically. Given ray QS. Q is the starting point and S point, ray continuously move. QS. Same. M is the starting point, M, N. Line R, Q. In line, both points are continuously moving. Q, R. In X, Y. Line move in both sides, which is represented by both side arrow. Next line segment. Line segment is its starting and ending point are fixed. M, N. Next line segment is A, B. In line segment, we not use arrow sign. Arrow sign is used in ray and line. In ray, only one arrow sign is used, and in a line, both side arrow sign is used. Next question number 7. Identify the fixed point in each of the following. First point is fixed in a ray. R is the fixed point, E is the fixed point, and in this ray PQ, P is the fixed point. In ray ST, S is the fixed point. First point is the fixed point. XY ray, X is the fixed point. N is the fixed point. Next question number 8. Classify the lines shown below as parallel, intersecting or perpendicular lines. Parallel line are those lines in which distance are equal at everywhere, and perpendicular line are those which are intersecting at 90 degree, and intersecting line when two lines cut each other at any point, then this is called the intersecting line. Our first part is line are perpendicular and intersecting because they make 90 degree angle and cut each other at this point. When make 90 degree angle, it is called perpendicular, and cut at a point, this is called intersecting. In B part, this line and this line are parallel because the distance between them are equal at everywhere. In C part, line are perpendicular because it makes an 90 degree angle. In D part, line are perpendicular and intersecting. Same in E part, line are perpendicular. In F part, line are intersecting because it cut each other at a point. Next G part, line are perpendicular because it makes 90 degree angle and intersecting. In H part, line are parallel because the distance between these two lines are equal at everywhere. Next I part, line are perpendicular and intersecting. Our exercise 10.1 is complete. You do this full exercise in your fair notebook and do practice in your rough notebook. Thank you for watching.